Just name them. Now you this. You don't just talk anyhow. We don't just talk anyhow. We talk for a reason. Sam kwasiafo ya suppose lovers of Reverend Osubempa. Omo nyina di. So for Osubempa temo sitiri. So for Osubempa. Eda na Brown. Oba ofie. Manasi me ye ntebuti de Manasi kan. Wo so oba ofie oni si wo ne ntem nyina na obeka kire Manasi. Kiss and tell. Nana Brown, kiss and tell. Then no mobile fear hormone. Manasi video yano. Nana Brown and Mark many video ye. I don't be an network. Wait ya. Auntie, bra video ne koso Nana Brown ohu pa. Almost smateo. Now if I got to a point here, Fidiana Nana Brown na assume no. Ana Manasi di yi ni bo honom. Two Nana Brown went man kasa for video no bebre. They plan together. One they pussy Manasi so anya sade no. One they pussy Manasi so anya sade no. Mama ngege o digi so for so empa ho. We can bra body e chi na makom. If you don't know, I'm telling you the gospel fact. This is unpredictable among crowd. So for so empa. So when cha kasa so. Na wa dine say na brand ni kunu. Na brand kunu kwade am pese meka asa wo ye mobo too much. Jobless husband. Your wife can control you left, right, front and back. Jobless husband. That is your duty. Why I say enquire toys remote control. Anybody at all from outside can pick it and use it. Kinana brand kunu am pese meka na sem too much. So far as we pass a man card we can't try or pomfan yasunu to ho. Na onye di won kana nuntum. Obi a wakasama ne ne. Obi a wakasama na ono dwen se on ka kache se on kana nuntum. No hwe ne besie. Papa, enkwasiafo nko na kasama wo. Ba bi asem ni gina no. Enkwasiafo osebufuo. Enti anytime bia no, you keep putting yourself in trouble. Why so about the Dubai begging on platform so man kasaye. Dana mo court. Case no. Ebi se mo case ni ye twaba kum papa. Da sa o kasa obi kasa ye ignorant. Obi kasa asa onimu hwe. En kasa ye twa case no. Monday o court, right? Any a different case with the police officers. Ana mo case na mo koy na drop a strategic a game at the law front. We call it strategic game at the law front. That is the technical name for that game now. Prosecutor ni play no. A strategical game at the law front. Or slashing case in no another case. And no case first about 5 charges. And my incriminating no. I'm gonna 11 charges. A strategical game at the law front. And the prosecutor no use up. And the mukita 11 charges no. Ditum ukase is still pending. And can be out what did for bedding? Any bedje nentesa. Ukasi see there too. The two still maintains. Over court Monday with the police officers. I stand to be corrected. And on 14th December, you are going to another court with 11 charges. Before Nasa case, and I'll say, you're slashing it off. Now you have 5 charges. Now it has turned to 11 charges. Into which of the case has been cancelled? Or which of the case has been thrown out? Papa, say, the more you talk, the more you put yourself in trouble. Maybe play of voice go arakra. Certain words go on my ye film. I don't want to push you there. Me can you make me be a two for until my maintaining voices and a crabia. Make me be a two for no be when you want to be home. Now I will say any panel can watch him, especially Mammy Gege. She's just there to make you unpopular against 2024. Slowly, she's achieving her aim. Believe it or not. Ujidio wa nyinyo, me I don't care. There is no way I'm coming back to your camp. It will never happen. Whether you believe it or not. Obi a wati me gina sori dem wa bomi dua 9 days. Obi a me ma pepe wani mu guasiama obi bi atwam. Wa nyankaye. Agina wa sori dem ma bomi dua for no cause. na nasabe maami bi atimi agye wanyimi ama eni pepe me down for wa mama ni mu anwu ase na o kire me se sambe du papa. I think I'm just spelling the truth out there for you. If you listen, good. If you don't, your own cup of tea. Stay away from Mami Ngigi. Anya me dase be hunu se o kwaki team. Anya me dase be hunu se o do mbeto amani me bedu mrebi na bia o mra back no asori agu. You were called for that job. So shall it be. Anya Mami Ngega so for osmempa enkwase antoko we nka beko. Sanya saba we jimi fo Mami Ngega ya. Oba busia ni a so abusiafo na soma no o se wanso na ma ho kwan so omra wabra bomu o papa enye saba we say ya papa anka who is she? Who is this girl to even get close to you? Who is this girl? Wait Jesus Christ. Oh God of Israel. Wait ni di kro ni mu kiro sa girl we say so for osmempa it is asaba we say ni hunya wunyan say wama won kwan se sa ba jimi fo we say eni wachi emwani ema ewiase amansan emfo wani mu ntwitwiri fom sa jimi fo ba we say nti jimi fo ba we say nti we oba jimi fo ya sabe wakwa wade mako 5 ba kokura ni watimi gina no wait man control nipa 5 o how much more wo ne wa sorry ma just count the number of members out who are sorry count the whole congregation. About say a dear body and when young no as far as we are concerned. No man say kwasi about we say a control life. And then look at the mess that you are putting yourself in there. All because of this non-entity. By Jimmy Fo we say ya or to social media on fan and sang aguma. Saga we say it. Me friend catch us say papa Mami Ngega catch ideas man say ideas man facha me what is my body facha me abanesa wakacha adias man say wo say wo fe ne ho nkire wo me fra wo bo amane wo so ko busa adias man so ka say ade dia wate but onya picture ni bi papa right there na say udwani fi sa ba we agimi fu we say galway okasa na ode anim guase abra won kakra odi anim guase ebra on kakra but wani nya den enko ho papa me kan no kura bi dia kirew se it high time say saba ya na friend Mami Ngege no oba very careful and say wa je anim guase entokwa na wo koma no day in day out you keep putting yourself in trouble day in day out. You keep putting yourself in trouble day in, day out. Na branso ni kunu. E koma ni bre for no so tue kire. Wako to abade chen ya, wako gina show, wanko radio station papa bi agana, wanko Joy FM, wanko Peace, wanko Oman, wanko Adom. Wanko station papa bi awo. Wanko grantee interview. Ewo Today's TV. Papa, nyeso ko grantee interview kwa Today's TV bio. Akwatena se nkwasiafo we say a program so say o kire wasem right after court. Say a chew. See enche papa. Do you own anybody explanation? Huh? To put yourself out there. So for us member. Soon many perform they don't talk too much like that you. Oma yesun sum juma they don't talk too much like that. I never saw the encounter me so. Papa, and give me some na me man can the encounter me so. How long do you see me explaining myself on social media? How often do you see me explaining myself on social media? Telling people whether true or not. Me hem kwasiaphobia, moabia, jimiphobia. And crofwe do a change in a silence on social media. Just name them. Oh, Boga Kingsley Pra, Mami Ngege, just name them. Blah, 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 blah. I've silenced all of them on social media. Oh, me, I was shamanase. Me take you almost so. Mama can't talk about social media. Phenomenon police station in court. You are cowards. Why are cowards? You can't stand the pressure. So my Jimmy se muni mumara kamuni kan ko kan to kwa enyi mu ani so muni mumara kamuni kan ko kan to kwa no let ma dwane ko police station moya coward moya nkwasiafo papa omo nyina hyehyebe na ase ma silence omo nyina go and check the records. Who is Peter Paradise? Peter Paradise, get ready very soon. Nana grada na wudi natem no emra so mu a wo ba kire adekon wa ye onti a wudi natem market on the wall. Peter Paradise, forget about say one off. You bet track watch your life Edward Bankline. Boneda. Very soon you get a call. Opa kase on report ho. Maame na wudi natem da bia no. Oba kire di pakwa wa ba opa se di maame natem. Moti social media jimi. Kwasi ade bia na moye. Edimu ya na fe na mo police station. Etwitwa nto akese just to put someone in trouble. En kwasi afo mo adwan. Nkraman ma. Mo chance ya chance mo timi amanka do kamada so bere. Kamada so krole. Mo chance ya chance mo timi anagrada Kenye. Mami Ngege is the downfall of Reverend Osubempa. Trust me. But Peter Paradise, you will answer some questions. Mwana mujana mudiana Peter Paradise. Amanka de so I am robber. Hey, ya obeje more than am robber. Commercial. Huh? Oji social media no odi mi maame atem. Ebe ye ma yesi mawunu. Se na emode. Sa Peter Pan, sa Jimmy for boy no a ne sabe kana aboa kura so won fa so chen no me no oni me no we kana masem no oni me no ahia me da ana kense bakobon pass on na me didi matem emra ma ye 5 days say amanka de mawu next time on yam roba wu next time on hia Peter Bada mu sa so onyi ade da onye kromfo ya mu sa so onye kromfo a wodi akwasia bia do ho ba bia fa bra me wo ha me say na pia bebleka Ami kinsle pra ekobo pa eso mo pe contract killers amoma kume. How do you need that? I'm going to start working on that issue very soon. Apia bebleka na oye agent a kinse padisi ka bre na omo track me pe ba bi o mbekume. Ya ni ayedi na amamu ya na mo ye mobo ya pese ya dem beto amanim but ya hunu se magimi that voice will never rest. That voice it doesn't expire. That voice will be there forever. Now, I will use that voice to teach these people the lesson. That voice now, more planning say, you want to kill a man crado. More on Krofua, or more kana, ye throw be your sebo, ububudi namwa, 250 million, ukunwa, 500 million, appear bebleka, your own words. Your time will come. Let them push you because you are hungry. Let them push you. Say with him how criminal that voice is. And Kofobi na kasa chire me na mitwa so din. Ana me yes mama eniema kwakode din. En kwasiafo no that boy Jimmy fo no. Any girl kan no. Ah woti America har me say na. Wo apia bebereka. Ye push you no. We ma hye wahu. I know the in and out of everything. Masada na menkasa. Pia bebleka. Wo se won kwofo a ye betime kum amankrado. A wo bo me hopo. Huh? What do trouble kwa sa voice na ye no? What do trouble metime ama wakom with that voice? Yeah, no mo ya me mopo. But mo so ya man ye se mo jimi ama mo jimi ni mo sua nyansa. Bra wo call girl ni fie. And you better to na America. The boy. Oh, some me do picture. Me do naked picture chile social media live. Apia bebeleka. Nyame fa boni nchew. Nyame on fa boni nchew. Oh, we agent. Ah, ye bubu obi na mu 250 million. Ye kuna 500 million. Arrest my case. On that note. Huh. What is social media? Jimmy ni kwasi anema. Na abua bi jambi ti se Peter Paradise. Kwasi aboy bi. Asabe kiye kwa kokunu a. Amanka do me yasa no. Wo mobo. Ye beju charge no. E kwa wi achi no. ko gina court so obetwa ntrato me so kwasea we se gina nwura mu di na agrada atem Peter Paradise. You will answer some questions at appropriate time. Emrana so mu awie nipa kwa o kire o se be di agrada atem toto no ho da bia sa na udi na tem no edu horma no appoint no what ha Ghana for musia nyansa o na edu abia na manka de nyahwe aman twaso muti social media Jimmy me ko obi ntokwa me de adwen to ho I don't just fight. Apia we kare me pese me kan nsem too much. Me ni entia. Ya na ma choki dia man. Wa na ma kai me bi atwam. Na ma slow down man. But why na je se utu no fo wontie de open wo ye. Nkwasiafo na omu pushi no. Emmoa na omu pushi no sa kankan ba bi no. Kankan ba no. Efin ba bi no. Ani Jimmy for boy bi no. Omu pushi no. Ka kire omo se omunsuya nyansa na omunsuya se de ye ka nokore na omunya kisi bo ye ntwa ntronto ni paso ni amfa ne kwani nguasiem Karma is there waiting for them at appropriate time. Karma, the law of karma, it never disappoints. Adana sabe mo Jimmy sa Adana mo Jimmy sa level asofo osubempa ekroi aya level bia dangerous. Mama ngege se da o makwan e ma sofo osubempa rest. She will push him to the wall. She will push him to the wall, to the final nail. Hamid. Because she needs money somewhere. She must make somebody unpopular. She must. By hook or crook. By hook or crook. And so o make it be unpopular for a price. Mami ngegi. Tokwa na wako no Ghana for mon cheme. Ade be mfaso no wanya firi ho. Ade be mfaso na mami ngege anya e wo se ntokwa na wako no. Ayanim guase nkwa na ode abresofo osu bempa.